The Health Maintenance module allows you to track preventive care measures. The Protocols module, which is covered in a separate video, is linked with Health Maintenance. Using Protocols allows you to set health maintenance rules for an entire population of your patient base. For example, mammography for women over 40. For now, we'll focus on entering information on a per-patient basis from the face sheet. This module can be used to schedule recurring or one-time only maintenance. To enter an order for preventive care, click on the Health Maintenance band. To enter a test, as usual, we'll start by clicking on the plus button. However, here, the list of tests available to choose from will be dictated by the type chosen: lab, radiology, consults, procedures, and protocols. We'll choose radiology for now, and choose a test. Many of the functions in health maintenance are similar to those in the vaccinations module. Check the delete box and click OK to save if you'd like to delete any row in this module. If you want staff to do this test or order this test during the current visit, check the To Be Ordered box. There's a property to choose which users will receive this message. The rest of these fields may be filled in here on the main page or by clicking the Done Details button. Add any remarks about scheduling if desired. Choose a due date. By default, the status shows as due, but you can choose other statuses from the drop-down, such as tentative, done, non-compliance, or not required. Any test with a status of done or non-compliance will show in the history section below for this test. If this test is being done during the current visit, choose Done, which will open up the date and comments fields. Choosing the frequency will dictate the due dates the system calculates moving forward. Any test that has a due date prior to the current date will show in red on the face sheet, indicating that it is overdue. There's one more way to enter health maintenance if you're actually doing the test in office during the current visit. Certain procedures in your specialty section are linked to the health maintenance module. And the done details may be filled in here. Saving this information in the specialty template will automatically push the information to the face sheet as well. Now for a brief review. Use the controls at the bottom of the video screen to pause if you need more time. Click on one of the links to take a quiz, to watch the next video in the series, or to return to the video library.